Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where we can expect a mostly sunny and warm to hot day over the western part of South Africa. We're forecasting mostly cloudy weather and scattered thunderstorms from the northwest all the way through to the eastern interior, with thundershowers reaching the east coast in the second part of the day. Our synoptic analysis shows a cold front sweeping over the southern part of the country, and that also brings in the possibility of rainfall from Tuesday afternoon. There's a watch for the potential for severe thunderstorm developments over the central interior, including parts of the Northern Cape, the Northwest and the Free State, with potentially large hail and damaging wind. Here's our rainfall probability map for the day, with a 60% chance of thunderstorms for the Northwest, the Free State and Gauteng, as well as a small portion of the Northern Cape and Mpumalanga. You'll see isolated thunderstorms extending towards the east coast, as well as over parts of Limpopo, the Eastern Cape and Mpumalanga, and you'll see the effect of the cold front as it brings in a 40% chance of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. It's a cooler week in the northeast with a maximum of 27 degrees for Pretoria and Polokwane. Johannesburg at 24 degrees, still quite hot for Mahikeng and Bombela, both at 30, and we keep it around that 30-degree mark for Bloemfontein, Queenstown and Durban, in the mid-20s for Bethlehem, and a toasty Tuesday for Pietermaritzburg at 34 degrees. Fresh northeasterly winds are forecast along the coast between Richards Bay and East London, with a 2-metre southwesterly swell along the east coast, and we're forecasting a strong southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth with a daytime high of 24 degrees. 32 as we head into Graaff-Reinet, mild for Cape Town at 23 degrees. We're expecting a maximum of 24 along the coast between Jeffreys Bay and Cape Agulhas, with southwesterly winds expected, and then you'll see a fresh southerly as we head towards Muizenberg with a maximum temperature of 18 degrees with a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 11 seconds. Still hot for Uppington at 37. We head into the low 30s for De Aar and Kimberley, 27 degrees for Springbok with a fine and dry Tuesday in store. Southerly winds are forecast along the west coast, 21 for Alexander Bay, mild for Cape Town at 23, and Langebaan warming up to 24 with a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 10 seconds along the west coast. Extended forecast for Wednesday shows rain and cooler weather spreading up the east coast, with thundershowers over the central and northeastern parts, but with a dry day in the west and a warm afternoon. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.